Dude,
Ah.
see, look at that. You just like hit it once and then you're done. You're gone. You're like, what is that? 7? Oh, I thought it was at 10 at first.
Ah.
Oh, and Biff.
Oh shit.
I kind of turned the screen with you. Oh,
Oh, what the hell?
a little driving meter. Going 30 miles per hour. No wonder I was. How fast was I going? I was probably going like 90 each turn. That's probably why I was biffing so much.
Ooh, what
Oh,
the shit?
and death.
Damn, it's so far up there.
You were going like pretty fast, dude. You're falling so far behind as well.
I know.
Come on, man. You were in first place the other maps. But again, you saw me keep on restarting it. I was like learning the map a little bit. But at the same time, I was keep on
I was
biffing.
learning how to fail.
Speaking of map, there's a map.
Get out of me! Ah!
What does that red bar mean? Does that mean like how much you're gonna get hurt?
No,
Oh,
that's your
he didn't.
jump.
He didn't even like fall when you did that. And I fall every single time when the guy goes
Ah!
in front of me.
I pressed the wrong button. That was prick. Fuck, I can't figure out which one is the reset. Fuck.
And death. I'm pretty sure if you press square, you'll start slowing
Yo,
down.
I'm not even doing that one, man.
Are you gonna quit? Oh, restart.
Mission failure. Oh,
Yep.
man.
Oh, and you already failed. Just looking. Oh,
No, what?
oh.
That's not fair.
He didn't even biff too. He just like kept on running you over. He didn't even care.
Yeah.
These guys are so cruel and vicious. How dare you, game designers,
I know.
plotting against us. Oh, look at that. You can't even land. It doesn't even let you land. What's the other one called? NX versus ATV? Yeah, that one. They need to put that on PS4. That was perfect. I love this. Like, You weren't even going that fast. Unless if you're going like tried going max, like within the first.
No way I'm getting up there.
No, you're the rookie. I'm the rookie's rookie. That was like so far behind. But I caught up.
I caught for a minute and then fucking failed.
Yeah, now they're gone. They're just. It's so bright, dude. You can barely even see anything. Man. The day is for real. Go down, son. And you're gone.